Use careful technique to avoid contact and contain wax before it spreads. Begin by preparing the workspace. Lay down disposable paper or cardboard and wear old clothing and latex gloves if available so wax does not contact skin or fabrics. When unwrapping the wax ring, keep it on its cardboard or plastic carrier until you are directly over the flange to minimize handling and drips. If you must move excess wax, press it onto a scrap of cardboard and fold the cardboard closed so the wax sticks to itself and can be carried to the trash without smearing. For small smears on ceramic or tile, let the wax cool and harden, then gently scrape with a plastic putty knife at a shallow angle so you do not scratch the surface, and finish by wiping with a rag dampened with mineral spirits to remove residue. If wax gets on your hands, use rags to lift off the bulk before using mineral spirits sparingly to dissolve the remainder, then wash with warm soapy water to remove the solvent. Store and dispose of rags that contain mineral spirits in a sealed bag, and follow local guidelines for disposal of solvent-contaminated materials. 3 common mistakes are handling the wax ring with bare hands and transferring sticky residue to clothing or surfaces, trying to clean fresh wax with only water, which spreads it, and scraping aggressively, which damages fixtures. Avoid the first by always using gloves and old clothes, and by transporting excess wax on disposable cardboard so it never touches clean surfaces. For the second, let the wax harden and use mechanical removal before any solvent, then apply mineral spirits only on a cloth to lift the remaining stain instead of flooding the area with water. For the third, use plastic tools and shallow scraping motions. Then finish with a soft cloth and solvent rather than metal blades or aggressive pressure that can nick porcelain or flooring. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people share real job experiences and tips about projects like toilet installation. We help contractors find work by letting them participate in project conversations and showcase their expertise to interested homeowners.